Hi, my name's John Abel, and my company called Team Lightbulb co-produces with NAB something called Telecom2009 Broadband and Beyond. It's a conference that takes place at the NAB show in Las Vegas in April, the third week of April. I thought I'd like to tell you a little bit about how we got here and some hot topics for this conference for 2009. We started doing this conference, a telecom event, telecom conference, in 2007, and our focus has primarily been on IPTV, Internet Protocol Television. And in 2007, there were still several telecom companies that had not launched or deployed their IPTV system yet. Today, that's kind of changed. Most companies, most telecom carriers, have already deployed them, or those that intend to do so have already done so. And now they've moved to another stage of maturity, and in fact this entire industry is maturing rather rapidly. And they want to know now, one, how to make money on IPTV, and two, what are the applications that they can put on broadband that will drive viewers to their IPTV system. Sort of what's beyond IPTV. We've called it broadband and beyond because the future is about broadband, perhaps more than it is about broadband video. Broadband video is what's driving the market right now, but every telecom carrier that we talk to is always looking for the next application that will drive subscribers and drive perhaps more audience to their IPTV system and video deployments. Some other hot topics. So a lot of what we do at this event is on IPTV, but other hot topics which relate to broadband. One is broadband applications. We have several smaller sessions, about 20 minutes each, in which companies talk about a broadband application that might be appropriate for the next generation of broadband. One of these that is kind of interesting is going to happen on Tuesday, in which we have a company that is being announced or was announced at the Software Developers Conference. It's about gaming, and it's using broadband for real-time gaming. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail with this, but it's a very interesting application, has tremendous implications for carriers because it would change the nature of the payload on the networks from TCP/IP to more of a UDP, P2P kind of load. Some other hot topics, of course, was advertising. Again, trying to monetize this bandwidth. Advertising is a hot topic, and in fact, we have a kind of controversial topic, which is sometimes referred to as behavioral advertising. That is where something called deep packet inspection, or looking at the packets on the network in a rather refined and micro form to be able to target advertising to users. And of course, this allows much more management of the network to monetize the network in terms of targeting advertising to particular users and making it more personalized in nature. A couple other things, of course, are the testing and measurement that goes into networks. All IPTV deployments now are concerned about the video on their network and that it be as reliable, at least as reliable as what's being offered by cable and satellite. So there's a lot of companies in this area that are focusing on testing and measurement. So those are some of the hot topics. It's just scratching the surface in this few minutes, but those are some of the hot topics that'll be at Telecom 2009. We hope to see some of you telecom carriers there. If you're a carrier, you'll definitely want to be able to check out the NAB show floor exhibit. It is the largest exposition of video equipment in the world, and of course another hot topic in this area is being able to use production equipment for local production at telecom companies to again drive local viewership and local advertising. And this is the place, this is the event to see this kind of activity. Thank you very much.